What's up, everybody? Today I just wanted to show you real quick how to make a sand tumbler. So if you've ever used any type of tiny little screws, or you had a project where you had some tiny screws or washers or anything like that, and you wanted to sand them because they're rusty or whatever may have you.
Basically it's for washers, screws, or even any type of small items that you can't sand by hand. Well, it's time to make a sand tumbler.
Tumble, tumble, tumble sand, tumble sand.
Tumble! Jeez. It's like 50 takes to do this, right? Anyways, we're making a sand tumbler today. Basically it's for washers, screws, or even any type of small items that you can't sand by hand.